I know you clicked on here for my super sassy face, but what I really need to tell you is that there's one thing that you cannot miss out on your art-based website for your business. All right, let's get into it. We are going to be working on Andrea Gerald Photography. She is a client based in Mount Airy, North Carolina. I'll show you her original site. She has, as you can see, a really strong portfolio started. I think we could show off her work a little bit better. What do you think we should do for Andrea? I've got some ideas that I'm already working on, but let's see what you've got. Let's show off some of what she's done. She's got this cool family stuff going on. I love this one. And then the Sink family, that is so cute. But I don't see any things about purchasing. So portraits, yeah, I'm totally interested in portraits. Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, she's killing it. These senior portraits. But there is nothing that I can really click on that's going to let me buy from her. So when we're thinking about our market strategy, we want to make it super, super easy for people to buy from us. And we want to help Andrea with this. So we definitely need some CTAs. Got some great action here. You don't often see this, just to be frank, you don't often see this type of action being caught by family photographers. So I love that she has the capability for all of that motion and the technicality that comes with that motion, but also the family friendliness too, because she's going to come to your event. She's going to come catch your kid doing the thing that they're best at. I mean, this is one of the most striking shots that I've ever seen. I'm just flabbergasted by this shot and how great it is. Check out these racing photos. Again, like who gets this? Who gets this type of action? So what we need to do for her is add in some SEO elements, clean this up where people don't have so much. We want to keep it very simple. We want to make sure that they can focus on one image at a time. They can see all that's there, but it's not detracting from them actually taking the action. She has one contact button, so that really needs to change. It's cool that she's got the reviews up here, but there's so much more that could happen. She does have an investment guide, which that's cool. But as you can see, it doesn't cover everything. It doesn't cover the weddings. So there's a lot from a marketing perspective that we'll be able to add. So the idea here is we're going to go in, we're going to add a contact section where they can call her and book a 10-minute, tire kicker. Hey, how's it going? Tell me about your event. And she goes over basic pricing. If it feels like a good fit, then they can fill out a form or have a longer consultation, pick out times and things of that nature. Our strategy is definitely going to take care of Andrea, and the most important thing that you need on your website is a contact form or some sort of CTA, call to action, where a person can interact with your business. Don't forget, if you need any strategy help, give us a call, send us a message, comment below, fall in the DMs. Have a good one.